Hey, what's up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Today we take a look at what I feel is one of the most important pieces of equipment that you should have in your content creation kit. When most people's first thought is to pick up the latest and greatest camera, I feel audio quality has more of an impact in your videos. So today we take a look at a USB mic that I think you're gonna like. This is the Fifine K669B USB mic. Now you can pick this mic up from Amazon for right around 30 bucks. I'll throw a link in the description in case you want to check it out. So in this video, we'll open the box, see what you get inside, go over some of the features, the build quality, and more importantly, the audio quality of this microphone. So taking a look at the box, it's all white with the Fifine logo on the front, their website here on the side, and a barcode with the name and model of the mic here on the bottom. Inside is pretty standard. You get your user manual, the mic, and a mic stand. The mic stand has metal legs with rubber feet to keep it from sliding. The attachment point is made out of a hard plastic material. Once mounted on the stand, the mic can rotate freely to give you some adjustability. The mic is made out of metal and feels very solid in hand. You get the Fifine logo here in the front, and the volume power knob is also located here. The cable is roughly 4 feet in length, so you shouldn't have any problems reaching your PC from where you mount it on your desk. Speaking of mounting, the mic uses standard mounting hardware, so you can install it on a mic boom arm to give you more mounting options and flexibility. Now back to the cable. Again, it's 4 feet in length, but unfortunately, it is not detachable, which always concerns me because you can't swap it out if the cable gets damaged. The cable seems pretty stout though, so if you're careful with your equipment, I don't think you'll run into any problems. As for setup, it's pretty straightforward. It just plugs into a USB-A port and is plug and play ready. All you need to do is select it as the mic to use in your computer's settings. Now for the sound test. Well guys, you've been listening to it all video. This audio is straight out of the mic with no tweaks or enhancements. I think it sounds pretty great, especially at this price point. When setting up the gain knob, you really don't want to go too high or you'll blow out the sound. I have it set between 9 and 10 o'clock. I'm about 6 inches from the mic. It's above me on a boom arm. I feel this setting and distance is pretty optimal. I'd also suggest picking up a pop filter or a foam cover to reduce or eliminate popping sounds and plosives. Now with how much I like this mic, it doesn't come without any flaws. I really wish there was an actual on and off button along with an indicator light so you know when the mic is on. A mute button would also be good to have as well. It gets pretty old fast having to always reset your setting when wanting to mute the mic. A headphone jack would be nice to have as well so you can monitor your audio levels, and once again, I'd like it to have a detachable USB cable. In case it gets damaged, you'll be able to replace it with a new one. But for only 30 bucks, you can't go wrong with this mic. For anyone starting a YouTube channel, doing voiceovers, streaming, or a podcast, I think this is a great mic for those use cases. With that said, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Once again, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you guys in the next one.